This is Flexible One, and I'm here to show you my top 10 Nerf guns. And here is and please subscribe my videos, please compliment my videos. Well, let's show you the guns. Number 1, the double barrel shotgun. You can see that. Yep, double barrel shotgun. It has a secret compartment back here, stuff like that. And now, number 2, the Nerf bow and arrow. You might not have seen that. They don't make it anymore. Number 3, the big bad bow. Really cool. I took off the string. Still shoots. Okay. And let's see, number 5, the long shot. But I added on this. Here, let me take this off. Alright, it won't come off. It takes it off. Number 6. Yeah, 6. Wait 1 second! Number 6, Night Finder. Number 7, Maverick. Number 8, Grenade Launcher. I don't know what it's really called. Number 9, there's that. Number 10, actually those are both 9, and there's 10. Well, that's all 10 Nerf guns. Oh yeah, and I want to do 11 because actually this is number 1, and that bow and arrow right there is number 11. Well, this is Flexible One. Please compliment me, and when you compliment me, please I'd like a compliment to tell me what that grenade launcher thingy is. So the name of it. Bye.